Hi friend, I'm Pinky the Pig, and today something very special is happening. But shh, can you keep a secret? I live on a farm, I love sunshine, and I go oink oink. Can you say oink oink with me? But today, I feel extra happy. Do you know why? I smell something yummy. Come on, follow me. Yay, it's farm snack time, corn and apples.
Did you know? Pigs are very smart and love healthy food.
My tummy is happy, and my heart is happy too. Bye, friend. Tomorrow, another surprise. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon on Babadoo.